In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Uber Pro card. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so I've outlined a few different steps to do this. So what you first need to do is open up your Uber driver app and then start opening up the driver app on your phone. From there, go to your wallet. So tap on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen, then select wallet from the menu. Then you need to select your Uber Pro card. So scroll down to find your Uber Pro card under the payment method section. Then you want to add money. So tap the option to add money or deposit on the Uber Pro card screen. You'll be able to transfer money from your bank account or other payment sources. Then from there, just simply follow the prompts. So enter the amount you want to add and follow the prompts to complete the process. Once you've added money, check your balance to confirm the funds have been added successfully. Also, you can also use direct deposit from your Uber earnings to fund the card directly as well.